Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to blog YouTube channels. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on YouTube app. Okay, then tap on channel. Then click on this channel. Okay, then tap on three dot option. Then option is hide user from my channel. Okay, hide user. Okay, back. Then another option. Then click on videos three dot option. Just click. Then tap on don't recommended channel. Just click. Then this channel is blocked. Then your videos recommended, no recommended. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.